everyone, welcome to another video. I have an exciting video to share with you guys because I'm gonna be doing a Chanel unboxing. Yay! So my mom and I went into Chanel the other day in Neiman Marcus here in Denver because that is the only Chanel boutique that we have, and we both ended up picking up something. I was originally just going to share what I picked up, but the thing that my mom picked up is so amazing and unique, and I think you guys are going to really love seeing it as well. So she gave me hers to do a little unboxing as well. I haven't seen these items since we bought it like a week ago, so I'm very excited to be unboxing it with you today. So the first thing is going to be what I got. Obviously it's very small, so it is just a little SLG. Funny thing is, I actually went into Chanel because my SA had texted me that they had something bigger that I was debating on getting, but I ended up not getting that. Ended up getting this instead. Once I reveal it to you, I'll talk a little bit more about that and why I ended up not getting the bigger item. So here is my new Chanel card case. So this is in the iridescent pink color. It is so hard to see the true color on camera right now, so I will actually insert some like other footage and maybe some pictures of what the color really looks like. It's super iridescent, so it literally changes in every single kind of lighting, but to the naked eye it pretty much looks like a peachy, like rose gold kind of color, which I just think is super pretty. So this is actually my third card case from Chanel. I love card cases so much, and I think that they are just one of the SLGs that is just the most versatile. You can literally throw it in any bag of any size, and of course I have been wearing a lot more mini sized bags, so that is why I also really tend to love carrying card cases. Now I'm sure you've seen a Chanel card case before, but if you haven't, it basically just has one card slot in the front, two in the back, and then also one in the middle as well. I believe both of these pieces are from the newest Chanel collection, which is the 21K. This is the little tag if you guys want to look it up. And then this is a 31 series, which I thought that they weren't doing like numbers for serial numbers anymore, but that might just be in bags because I guess this one still does have a serial number. Yeah, okay, so there is a serial number sticker on the inside as well. I haven't really been keeping up with Chanel stuff lately. I'm so sorry. I mean, you guys must have noticed, right? I haven't really been unboxing or buying too many things. I don't even buy something from every season, which granted, that is a little bit crazy to be doing anyway. No offense to those who, you know, do buy something from every season, but that's just not how I roll. But when I saw this, I just fell in love with it and really had to have it. So the thing that I originally went to go in and see was actually the wall on chain, which was in this exact color. And when my SA took a picture of it, I fell in love because it looked so pink from that picture that she sent me. So I was like, oh my god, another iridescent pink, that's really beautiful. But then when I went to see it in store, like I said, it changes in every single lighting. I will insert a couple of different pictures that I've taken from like different angles, different light, and you can see that it just looks totally different. So in that one picture she sent me, it looked really beautiful and pink, but then in others it kind of looked like washed out, and I don't know, I just wasn't as in love with the color as I initially thought I was, so I couldn't justify spending, you know, so much money on like a wall on chain, because wall on chains now are, you know, about $3,000, I guess. So yeah, that is why when I saw this card case, I thought this was a much better buy. I use these way more than I would a wall on chain anyway. I already have one from Chanel, and that is pretty much all that I need. So yeah, that is why I ended up with this one. I believe this is made out of a calf skin, so it's an iridescent calf skin leather, but it is so smooth. It really does feel like lambskin. Like, it's just so buttery soft. I think it might be because of the iridescence. It doesn't say on here, but I'm pretty sure when I was talking to my SA, yeah, they did say that it was in a calfskin leather. I also did want to mention that there is silver hardware, although obviously the little piece of hardware that it does have is so tiny. I think that it goes really, really well, although I do think that gold would have matched, you know, really well also. All right, and on to the second item. This is actually what my mom got. I know that I've been unboxing a lot of her stuff lately on my channel, which I guess some people don't like, but I mean, she buys this stuff anyway, and I know you guys like looking at new things, so I figure it's not a problem. I also do borrow her stuff to do reviews because obviously she doesn't have a YouTube channel, so I feel like, you know, I'm just utilizing what she already has in order to give you guys a little bit more, you know, knowledge on these things. But if it really bothers you, maybe just don't watch these. Anyways, so yeah, she ended up buying a bag. Obviously, you can tell from the box it is a little bit bigger. Now, this might surprise you because if you do watch my channel and you have seen some of the stuff that I've unboxed for my mom, you'll know that she also is a person who loves like neutral colors, and she really also loves pink, and all of the colors that she buys are more of like classic colors. But when we saw this one in store, I was so shocked because she literally saw it and in 2 seconds she was like, yes, I will take it. And the color is just so different for her. So I was very, very shocked, but it is such a stunning bag. Now, I know the 21K collection has come out with a lot of beautiful like pastel colors, so let me know in the comment section before I actually reveal this what you think this bag is or what color you think it is. All right, have you made your guess? Because I'm going to reveal to you my mom's new, stuck a little bit. Oh, it still has a little dust bag. Okay. Oh my god, you can kind of see the color on the side though. But this is the new Chanel mini square in blue iridescent. Oh my god, this color is so gorgeous. These lights are so washed out that I feel like you really can't see the true color. So again, I will insert like little modeling shots and, you know, just different close-ups of the bag so you can really see the true color. But this blue color is seriously so gorgeous. It reminds us both of like Frozen, how like Elsa's dress in Frozen is like that beautiful crystal kind of blue color. This is really what it reminds me of. Plus it does have silver hardware like the other piece that I showed you, so I really do think that it gives it more of like an icy effect, which just really works well with this color. She actually doesn't have a square mini yet, so she now has all of the sizes of classic Chanel flaps. So she has a square mini, rectangle mini, a small, medium, and jumbo. All she's missing is like a maxi. So her collection is really crazy. I'm still trying to convince her to maybe do a collab with me where we show her entire collection. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see that. Maybe you guys can help me convince her that you do want to see it. All right, so this is just a square mini. It looks like this. It just has one compartment, and of course it does have the little microchip thing now, which people are saying isn't a microchip, but my essay still says it is, so I don't know. People are getting different information. Some say it's just a plaque with a serial number, some say it's a microchip, so really I have no idea. The inside does have a slip pocket as well. Oh, and the receipt is still in here, so I can tell you how much she paid for it. So before tax, the mini square is $4,200. So yeah, it has gone up recently. I think it was like $38 not too long ago. I know that the square and rectangle also do have different prices, so I might be getting confused, but I do remember that it was under $4,000 not too long ago, and now it's $4,200, which very upsetting. But I do still think that these are like worth it to buy in store if you do like the classic Chanel flap kind of look. Of course, all of these prices are just like outrageous to begin with, but if you are a fan of Chanel and you do like buying stuff in store, I think that the mini bags are definitely still a good buy. This is the tag, and I will show you the code and everything in case you guys are still looking for this. I'm actually not sure how popular this color is because I haven't super seen this color. I've seen like the other like light blue and then the lilac that are kind of iridescent that a lot of people are going after, but I'm not sure if I've seen like this exact one like too much. It might just be that they photograph so differently when you are looking through Instagram and stuff, so I might not even have noticed it. But yeah, hopefully those codes help you out if you are looking for one of these bags. And just for reference as well, I do believe that both of these iridescent colors, where'd my card case go? Oh yeah, just to compare, both of these iridescent colors actually do come in like different styles as well. I've seen this one come in a rectangle mini as well as a square mini, and then of course that wall unchained that I saw. So I assume that they make this blue color in those items as well as like an SLG like this. So yeah, that's just to keep in mind if you are looking for these specific colors. This one is, like I mentioned with the other one, in a like iridescent calfskin as well, although I will say it is just so buttery, especially on a larger item like this, that it seriously does feel like lambskin. So if you are looking for this one, maybe just be a little bit careful if you are one of those people who baby their bags or are afraid to use such like delicate leather bags. I'm not sure how this iridescent leather is going to wear in comparison to other iridescent, because the only other iridescent bags that I have are my Chanel Jumbo and Wall Unchained, and those are both like iridescent grained leather, and I know that the iridescence has worn off in the corners a little bit, so I do imagine it will happen to this bag maybe even worse because it is in smooth leather. But I'll try to keep you guys updated. I will probably use this one a lot. My mom is one of the types of people who, if she loves a bag a lot, especially if it's delicate, she won't really get much use out of it. She just likes to kind of stare at them in her closet and not really use them a whole lot. So I probably won't be able to update you with the wear and tear on this bag, but yeah, I'll definitely let you know how the iridescence and everything wears on this little card case as I use it. And yeah, that was all for my video. Thank you so much for watching. What did you guys think of the things that we picked up for a Chanel 21K? Is there anything that you guys are looking forward to coming up in Chanel? I know that the cruise collection is coming out soon, and my SA just texted me asking if I, wanted anything from there. I just told her to kind of reserve things that are pink for me, and I'll go and take a look at them. But right now, I really have no plans on buying anything new from Chanel. As you guys may know, I'm kind of like over their larger items. I do feel like my collection is really good and I'm loving where I'm at. So if I do add anything, it'll probably just be like this, where it's an SLG here or there. But as for bigger Chanel bags, I'm probably over it, maybe until that heart bag comes out for 2022 spring collection, because I definitely have my eye on that one still. If you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There are more handbag related videos coming, including a video that I just made where I talk about the Chanel pieces that I still think are worth it to buy in store. So stay tuned for that if you are a Chanel lover. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!